Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chrysler Town and Country cabin air filter. First, gather your tools, typically a small screwdriver or a trim removal tool. You'll be working on the passenger side of the vehicle, near the glove box. This simple maintenance task can greatly improve your vehicle's air quality and HVAC system efficiency. It's a quick and easy process. Now, let's get that glove box out of the way. After emptying it, you'll find small tabs or stops on the sides. Carefully push these inward to allow the glove box to swing down further. This action fully exposes the cabin air filter housing, which is usually a rectangular plastic cover. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. With the housing exposed, you'll see the old filter. Before removing it, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for proper installation of the new filter. Gently slide the old filter out, then slide the new one in, making sure its arrow matches the direction you observed. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. Simply reverse the steps you took to remove the glove box. Make sure all clips and fasteners are secure and the glove box closes properly. Replacing your cabin air filter regularly, perhaps every 15,000 miles, helps maintain clean air inside your vehicle and keeps your heating and cooling system running efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.